Hey, good morning, and what a nice morning it is. It's pretty cool, and it's a good time to get started on a little bit of machine tool restoration. And I find myself with dull scrapers again. So I gotta get these scrapers sharp, then I'll give a little tour around and try to get some perspective of what to do next. Okay, let's get these sharp. Okay, I'll get you over here on the carbide cam. The exclusive carbide grinding camera. I have to say that I think carbide dust would probably be pretty destructive to most cameras. But the little Drill Press is kind of almost leather type. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of squeeze back there. I can do that. Very tight here. Okay, I think you can see that okay. Now I'm going to set this one here. I got one in there. I'm going to resharpen these. And I'm using that fixture with the tool post because I think that's pretty handy. And then I can just leave the workhead set up for working on these rehabilitating some old carbide inserts for other purpose. Okie dokie. And what have I got in my pocket here that'll work? Not very much, but I think I'll be okay. Okay, I got the little vacuum here, and I'm going to make a better scoop, and I think that's all it's needed. Here I am. Okay. So I'm going to crank this up, make sure everything's tight, and go ahead and resharpen these scrapers. I've got it tilted. I'm going to turn the vacuum on here. Something like that. Didn't interfere with things, maybe. We'll see. But I got my good ventilation on. I'm going to get this, getting the worst of this carbide fixed up. Almost touching. There we go. Usually I'll take about 5,000 shots by rounding them off pretty good. That's 6,000. Very sharp. Okay. Very simple setup there. Okay, let's touch. Okay, let's go 6,000. I'm going to go one more. we're going over a little bit. That's it. Change the old thumbnail. That's right. This is the one that's almost gone. Got a little life left in it. I'll just grind it back a little bit and make another pocket, brace in another piece of carbide. Okay. There we go. One more. Still two more. That is sharp. I don't think very many people do it, but I think it's really important to get good control of this carbide dust. I've got a fan blowing this way from the door, and then I've got an exit fan up high, and it seems to get a pretty good breeze through here. But I really need to get control of it a lot more, you know, getting it at the source there. So we'll continue on that quest. Yep, I'll get stuff over here out of the way. I've got 3 sharp scrapers. Move this table. That's a ball bearing table. And it's probably well over 300 pounds here, so you can just move it with your fingertips. And you can grind moving it by hand like this. You know, if you find the little knobs kind of tricky. Okay, let's go out and have a look. Hey, the fellow came by after those valve guides and left a donation for the coffee fund. How about that? I love being retired. Okay. There we go. Look at that scraping. It's amazing that it's still there. I think you can see it from this angle. It just jumps at you. And you know, the only way to preserve that I found is the hard way, scrubbing with that brass brush. Now, this stuff I tried denatured alcohol and it actually dissolves it better than anything. It's like powdered up there, like naphtha and lacquer thinners and anything like that just doesn't do much to this stuff. You know, a guy asked me if this has been in a fire. It really does look like that. But it's coming along, you know, nicely. You have to give me a break. I'm a little bit old, and I'm taking my time on it, and kicking around a bunch of other little things. You know, I've got a lot to do to get set up to use these machines. So, okay, with my sharp scrapers, I will scrape and get back at it, and you guys have a good rest of the day. If I come up with something cool, I'll video it. Okay, bye folks.